sharing my screen. So we completed till now. We have just reading the data from Salesforce and creating file in disk, right?
Yes.
So till now, here what? So we are giving the file name.
Yes.
And here we are just creating the notify custom execution log. What are the data that are coming of process name, atom ID? We are getting from execution property of. So last class we covered dynamic document property. No, document property and dynamic process property.
Dynamic process property and document property.
So here what we are doing, here just combining the record. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'll just clear all the file. We'll see. Till now what we did. Okay, what happened? Why it come to catch block? We'll see.
It's in Salesforce.
Okay. The password. Incorrect password. Okay. I think we didn't change. Yes, we have added one. Again, I am running. We'll see. It's coming here. So now one file is creating, right? See, header will be their ID, name, type, phone, account number, and data are there like this. So now what we'll do, so we'll create one more process where we'll just read from disk, okay?
Okay.
And offset into Salesforce. Okay, creating new account or new contact. Okay, in Salesforce, there are we can say it as object like where tables are there, na? In database concept tables, here objects. We can say account object, contact object.
Okay.
So what we'll do, we'll create one new flow. What to do? So there are two ways to create for your process. Here, create new process. If you create like this, then automatically process will be created in this root folder. This is the root folder. Okay. If you create process in directly here, new component, okay, then process will be created in this under this folder. Suppose I am creating directly here, okay. My new process will be created and my process name will be, suppose Art file, count, art file. Oops.
Yes.
Okay. If you see, let's save this one. If you see, this path will be directly here. Okay, root folder it's showing.
Yes.
Here also you can move this process to this folder. How? Here,
But
select folder, move
select
or
folder.
another folder. If you go, Sandeep training, move, move and save, save. If you go here, see account
Uh,
of set from file to this process came here. Otherwise, directly if you create here any new process, automatically new component, then automatically process will be created under this folder. Getting?
yes. Okay.
Okay. So what will be my things? Disk.
Yes.
I'll read from this location.
Yes.
I'll get because I'll read from disk. In that
Yes.
scenario, it was send because we are sending file to that disk location.
Location.
Here in this case, it will be get. So create new operation. Account. Okay. Get account data operation. I will give that name. So here, if you see, connector action will be you have defined their gets. That's why get scam here.
Okay.
File filter. Which file you will just read? You have to give that file name and file matching type. Suppose you are giving the exact name of that file, then you have to select exact match. If
Okay.
wildcard means if you are giving some account means SEC star, then wildcard it will search. Regular expression. So regular expressions are there. So like that, you can able to search. And minimum files to read. If you giving 0, then all files it will read. Okay. If you give 1, then only one file will be read. 0 means by default.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Delete files after reading. Suppose if you want from this folder, okay, this is my disk location. If you want, once the disk operation will read this file from this location, then automatically if you want to delete that file after the operation,
Mhm.
then you can select this one.
Okay.
Delete file after reading. Fails if unable to delete files. Process will suppose if you want, if you, it is it will be a process will be unable to uh, delete that file, then process will fail. If you want, then you can select this one. So as of now, I'm not deleting because each time it will delete that file. Again, I have to create that file. So I don't want. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But if you select this one, then it will automatically delete that file from that location. Once it will read by the disk compression.
This purpose.
So we'll see delete. Okay, we'll do that one. So what I'm doing, I'm creating one file there. Okay, in
Okay.
this location. I'll just create new file. Okay, my file name is suppose FN2. I don't give the account TXT because automatically By default, it's the text file. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So what I'll do, account ID. I'll create column. Okay.
Hmm.
I'll like this account ID, name, type, and name type will be the mandatory field while creating any account. Okay.
Okay.
And this is account ID, name type, number of employees. I think an account object phone is there or not. I'll just check. So you have Salesforce account, right?
Yes, I do have.
You don't have a?
Yes, yes, I have. I have.
Okay. Okay. If you go to object manager, then go to account. Okay. It will show you the account object details, fields, and relationships. So what are the fields are there? You can able to see. Field name will be there, account number, and what other field? Customer ID is the account ID. Okay. Customer ID will be the external ID. Okay. Then what are number of employees is there? So I'll take one column rating.
Okay.
1 minute, Sandeep. 1 minute. Yeah? Be there.
Ah, yes.
Yes. So I'll take one more column type. Type I've already taken, right?
Mhm. Type is already taken.
Uh, type and type and rating. Rating and phone I'll take. Okay. Phone. One. Employee. Okay.
Okay.
My file got created.
Mm-hmm.
What I'll do? So my file name is account. Okay.
Okay.
Account.txt. What I'll do? I'll just mention here account star. Okay. If I give account star here, automatically this file also it will pick. Getting me?
Yes, yes, yes.
So what I'm doing, I'm just deleting this file.
Yes, yes, we'll take that to your future.
Getting me?
Yes,
If
yes.
I give account star means after account also what are the files are there, it will pick. And that one will fail because this data and that data is will be different.
Different. Right.
Okay.
Yes,
So here in my yeah, here account ID name 2, 3, 4, 5 fields are there. Name, type, rating, form. Okay. So my things got created. So what I'm doing, I'll just yeah. I am not checking this one because once after this run, then it will automatically delete that file. That's why I don't want to check this option.
yes. Okay, yes.
Save and close. This one. Okay. So
Mhm.
I am getting the file. Okay. So each after each step you are doing, na, better to always test. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you are continuously doing, somewhere issue will be there. You are not able to find. It will take my time. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm just testing whether my I'm able to uh,
Yes.
query or not.
After every steps, we have to make a test, right?
Sorry,
After
sorry.
every, after every step, we have to test.
It will be better. Okay.
Mhm.
See, so I'm able to get the file. Getting.
Yes.
So what I'm doing, copy. So I'll just copy this file, paste here. Okay.
Mhm.
Now what I'll do, I'll delete one. Will check. Okay, whether it's working or not.
Okay.
Why I copied? Because after this file will be deleted from this location.
Yes, yes, I
So
get.
again, I will take it back from there.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
So see, my data came, and if I go there, file is not there.
Okay. So the folder is empty.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing, again, I'll take it back. Copy, paste. Getting?
Yes, yes, yes.
I'll just uncheck and save and close. So why this option will be there? What is the real-time usage of this option? Suppose some upstream application they are sending data. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
they are just uploading files in some location. Okay,
Okay.
so once our job will run, then it should delete that file.
Yes,
Otherwise, next time whenever they will place new file, then again it will read and two times it will process, right?
correct. Yeah.
And day by day, it will save there and it will pick that file and it will just execute that file, all files. So in order
Yes.
to avoid that one,
Mm-hmm.
so we just delete. Once our disk operation will read that file, then it will delete that file from that location. So that whenever next file it will come, it will be a fresh data.
Yes. 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 Sir.
Getting?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So as we are practicing, I just on deleting. It means I am unchecking this option.
Okay.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
So my source will be, suppose now, if you see, so what will be my flow? My flow will be like, I will read data from disk, okay?
Okay.
Then then I will just maps will come, right?
Correct. Map share.
Then Salesforce
Salesforce.
connect. SF. SF.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Correct. Correct.
This is my flow. Then after that we will see. Once you run, what will be the issue and what is the problem, then what are the other steps we can add, we'll just see. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Salesforce, which action I have to take?
Send.
Same. Very good. Accept connections. Person. We'll do offset. Okay.
Okay.
So what offset will be doing? Okay. Offset is conditionally it will insert or update. But how it will do? Suppose one record is coming.
Uh-huh.
This record is going, okay, 00100. If this record is present there in Salesforce, same
Okay.
account ID, then it will update. If it is not there, then it will insert.
Insert. Right.
Okay. If I do insert, only insert operation, suppose I am running this, executing this file, okay. Second time if I execute, then it will fail because already this only insert means already this record will be there.
Correct. Correct.
Whenever I am inserting, then it will fail because it will insert um, you have that primary key, foreign key, you know that
Ah,
how it's working.
yes, yes. Primary key, foreign key, yes, I know.
So the duplicate value it will not accept, right? Second time
Correct.
it will not insert, right?
Correct. Correct.
It will
Yes, yes.
fail.
Yes, yes. I got it.
So how to do that one? Import, selecting the connection. My connection is SF connections. I'm not choosing any bulk API version. What is bulk API version? Suppose you are inserting 5 lakh records. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
There are V1 and V2 bulk API versions are there. Okay. So it will at a time, if you are selecting bulk API, then 10,000 records by default it will pick and offset or update. Okay.
Okay.
If you are not selecting any bulk API,
Mm-hmm.
then it can insert or update one record, or by default it will offset 200 records. Okay. As
Okay.
of now, we have only 2 records, so we are not selecting any bulk API. In real time, if you have 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs records are there.
Mm-hmm.
For each execution, if you want to run only more records instead of 200 records, by default, Salesforce is providing 200. Okay.
Correct.
So if you are 200, if you execute, then it will take so much of time, right?
Correct.
In that scenario, if you select bulk API, then by default in bulk API, 10,000 it will execute at a time. Then it
Okay.
will means the increase the performance of that process. Okay, by less time you can able to offset on
Okay.
doing some operation. Okay,
Yes.
so then go to next. So my object is account object. So here action will be create means you're creating new record, inserting. Okay,
Okay.
update, only update, or offset
Upset.
means insert and
Insert.
update both, conditionally insert and update, offset.
Yes.
Update. Okay.
Up.
Then delete. If you want to delete also, you can delete. Merge. Merge also, it will merge that record. Okay. So
Okay.
what I'm doing, I'm just doing
Upset.
offset. Okay. Next. Okay. My profile got created. SF account offset request profile.
Yes.
Okay.
Right, sir.
See here. Batch count by default it's coming 200.
200. Yes.
Okay. So if you select that one, so it will by default it will come 10,000. But here it will not show because once you select this batch count option will not come. It will consider it as a bulk API
All
version.
API.
Hmm. Here bulk API version is none. If you select there, then here it will come bulk API version V1 or V2. So batch count will not come. Okay.
Okay.
So he return application error response. If suppose some error happened, if some error happened while offsetting, okay. So if you select this one, it will return that application error and it will go to the next. So I'll show you. Okay,
Mm.
I'm selecting this one. I'll show you what is the changes. Okay.
Okay.
So one more thing. So while offsetting, there are two major concepts that you just understand. Okay.
Mhm.
So while offsetting, it will ask for which one is external ID. So already in that account object, if you see, this is the customer ID will be the external ID.
Yes.
Okay. So I have to select customer ID. What is external ID? What is ID? I'll just tell you. Okay. Then save and close. Okay. So what I have to do? Here I'll just so here I have to configure. Okay. Map. Account flat file to Salesforce. So this left hand side will be my source data.
Yes.
Right hand side will be the target data. Okay.
Target.
So already target profile got created because that offset profile already created. If
Mhm.
you go here, SF account offset request profile already created whenever we have just created that Salesforce operation. Okay. So
Okay.
what you have
Yes.
to do, drag and drop here. There are two ways. You can choose and from the folder you have to select, otherwise drag and drop. Getting? So here, I
Yes.
don't have for this source profile data, for this data, I don't have any profile created. Okay.
Mhm.
Account ID, name, type, rating, phone. This is my source. Okay. So what I have to do,
Okay.
I have to create that profile, flat file profile. Which profile? Flat file profile. So here I
That's
have to
right.
create that. You still click on this, then automatically it will enable. There are two way. Manually you can create. If you manually want to create, then like this you have to do. Add multiple elements. 5 elements are there in this file. Okay.
Mhm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Otherwise,
Right.
already my files are there. I can import. Already is there in that folder. Na? I can import.
Yes.
See, data is like this coming. In one, everything is coming. Why it's like this? So one setting is there. Okay, cancel. I'm canceling. I'm going to this process. Mm, So here, so what I am doing, because I have not yet defined that data, so I'll just create that because that file will be the text, na. So .csv. If I do CSV format, then it automatically come. So anyhow, we'll create that profile. Okay.
Okay.
I think it's created a flat file. So okay, this one is a different.
Account number.
No, this is not in our folder. Sunday folder. Account flat folder. ID, name, type, phone, account number. What I have given there? I don't think this one I have given. ID,
Rating.
name, rating, phone. Okay. Which profile I have selected? Okay. So we'll do one thing. We'll just in this profile, you just update ID, account ID, name. Otherwise, related with that profile. So I will not select this one. I'll create new profile.
Okay. Right.
There are 5 elements there. So ID, account ID will be the number. Let it be character, no problem. Otherwise, I'll just make it account number as a number. I'll see what is this. It's a unique case sensitive text is there. Then character.
Correct.
Let it be character. Okay. Then
Name.
name type rating. Name type rating. There. Phone.
Phone.
So option will be my data are there in
Com.
which comma delimited. Okay.
Mm.
Use column headers. If I use column headers means we'll see what is the difference. What type of data are coming. So my profile got created. This account ID will point to
Customer.
customer ID or external ID. Okay.
Hmm.
This one will be name, type. phone. Okay.
Okay.
So I have to check what is the phone field. How many it can accept? Is there any constraints are there? Yeah. Phone. Yeah. No validation rules are there. Okay. Okay.
Ah,
So we'll just execute. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah. It got successful. Okay.
okay.
First record got successful. Second one also success true. Okay. So I need to check in Salesforce. How to check?
Mhm.
There are here you can go developer console. Okay. You can write here your query. Otherwise, one is workbench is there. Here also, here one more option is there, Salesforce inspector. Okay. You have to do that one. Select ID, customer ID, type, name, phone. Okay. Customer credit. See, Sanat and Sandeep.
Yes. Yes.
Today's date, it's see, upsorted. Okay. Why I
Hmm.
choose upsort? If I run this process, okay. If I run this process again, okay. I ran that one. Again, if I run, same record will come because there is no changes are there
Yes.
and timestamp will be different. Some difference timestamp. Okay, there is no modifier, na? So no timestamp. If it is a insert case, okay, then it will fail. Getting me?
Yes. Yes. We can impact it will fail. Yeah. Because
Because
already
this yeah. I just
already
mentioned this customer ID, na? Customer ID is, means it's a unique customer ID. It should not be duplicate.
duplicate.
Okay.
Hmm.
So what I'm doing, I'm just updating my record something. Okay. I'll just update this record as Okay,
Hmm.
I'll save. Let's see. Now, rating not come. Na? Okay, rating I have to add.
Yes. Definitely.
Top. Both are top is there. Okay. So I have
Okay.
updated this one in file. Again, I'll just run. See, sheets updated.
Yes. Yes. I will.
Okay,
Hmm.
getting me.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Got it.
So like this, Salesforce absolutely happen. So one concept is there, but is on which basis how it's update means upsetting. Okay, there are two things are there. First, offset and update. Okay,
Hmm.
whenever you are doing offset means see Salesforce is application. Okay, cloud-based applications, and you are just integrating with some other applications. Okay, suppose
Correct.
application A, application one is integrating with the Salesforce. Okay, okay. In application one, it doesn't mean that same type of data is available in the Salesforce.
Helpful.
On which basis you are just inserting? Application is having, suppose here in application A, this column will be suppose account ID, but this column will be the customer ID in the account object of that Salesforce.
Correct.
Getting?
Hmm.
So whenever you are integrating, okay. So Salesforce is having there are two features. You know primary key, foreign key,
Yes. Yes. Primary key foreign key.
foreign key. So what primary key will be there?
Primary key means
It
it
is
is unique.
uniquely identify each row in a table, right?
Correct.
And foreign key will be the reference cell
Reference
field.
key.
Yeah.
Result.
In suppose employee table, department table. Okay. In employee table, primary key is the employee ID. Okay. In department table, primary key is the department ID. Okay. In employee table, foreign key will be the department ID.
Department ID. Yes.
So whenever you are joining both employee table and department table, so the whenever then this department, what will be the join condition? Employee dot department ID
Department ID.
equal to department dot department ID,
Department ID.
right?
Correct.
Like this same. So on this basis only you are joining table,
Correct.
joining the data. So here, but employee table data are different, department table data are different. Only this department ID is common in the both the table,
Correct.
right? That's why on that basis only you are joining. But in this case, there is no foreign key, primary key concepts are there. So whenever you are offsetting, the external ID is there. External ID. So what will be the external ID? It works like a foreign key. Okay.
Externally works as a foreign key.
Foreign key in account object. Okay. And one field is the ID field is there in account object. This is the primary. Getting? So I'll just show you what will be the ID field for this record. For this record, ID field will be like this type of number 0 to 16 digit or 18 digit numbers are there.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So This value is not available in our file.
Correct, correct.
Should not be. It's not available.
It's not
But this record is unique for this row. For this row, for this employee name, Sanat, this will be the ID, primary key.
correct.
This one, there is no duplicate values are there in this account object. Only this one will be the unique. For each row, one unique values are there. So in ID will be the
Primary
primary key in account object, and this customer ID will be the foreign key.
foreign key.
Like department ID, employees department. Consider it as a employee table. Okay. In
Mhm.
employee table, employee ID is this one is the primary key. Customer ID will be here suppose foreign key. And in your data, this one will be the primary key. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So if and this record will be customer ID will be the foreign key in that account object. On this basis, you are joining. Getting?
Getting. Yes.
So while offsetting, you need this concept, external ID
External
concept.
ID.
Whenever you are updating, only you are updating. In that scenario, updating means the record will be there already, it will be there. You have to update any field, right?
Correct.
Correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
Then how you will update? If record will not be there, then how will you update? That means you are updating means the record will be there.
Yeah. Correct.
So while updating, you need this ID field. You have to know for which ID you are updating the record.
Got
So
it.
we'll see how update is working. And while offsetting, this one will be offsetting
Okay.
field. Okay.
Correct.
So whenever I have selected this one, it will offset I selected means it will ask me external ID. We
Customer
have
ID.
to define external ID. If I select update, then this one will not come. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Getting me? This is a very important concept.
Yes, I got it. I got it.
Very important concept. If you understand this one, then you'll do.
Yes, I got it. What you have said.
Got it, na?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And one more thing. Okay. There are two records. Okay. Then always after no data, always add try catches. In try catch, so what it will do, it will capture process level error as well as document level error. If there isn't some data errors are there, then it will, if you select this one document errors, then it will capture only data errors. If you select all errors means it will
All
capture only document error as well as process level errors.
level.
So in starting of the process, always add all errors, because if any connection error will happen, then automatically it will catch.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
There are one concept is the retry count. Suppose I'll just suppose due to some reason you are not able to connect to the Salesforce, if server issue or something, or any other application, you are connecting through server. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
HTTP. Suppose Salesforce is down for 1 millisecond. At the time your process is running. Getting?
Okay.
So then at that time it will fail. It will fail my process if I don't add this one. Retry count, if I don't add, then my process will fail that, and it will go to catch block. But I
Okay.
don't want like that. I want after 2 minutes, 120 seconds, again my process should try. Suppose for 1 second itself it got my process, this site will be down, and then process will fail in that scenario. So what I have to, if I define here retry count, then again it will try. No need to
Okay.
again execute that process. Okay. So how to do the retry count? First retry count, if you select here 1, then it will immediately
Follow that.
try. Okay. Subsequent failure. Second retry count after 10 seconds. Third, if you define 3, then 30 seconds. If you define 4, then 60 seconds. If you define 5, Then 120 seconds means 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you will try like
Okay.
this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If I give 5, then after 2 minutes it will try.
Okay. Okay.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
And one more thing you just remember, if I select this retry count, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and if I save here, okay, it will not work because if you have to deploy this process, then only it will work.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
you have to deploy. So what I am doing, practice this one. Okay,
Yes, sir.
if you don't practice, then I will forget. So what I am doing, I am just making the 0 because it will not. If I have 5 also, it will not work.
Yes,
Okay?
yes, yes.
As long as you have not deployed, so you will not see the changes. And testing Salesforce, we cannot make it Salesforce is down. Okay. Getting any doubt
Yes.
till now?
No, no, till now, no doubt. But at the time of practice, I will get the doubt.
Mhm. So I want to create some failure scenario. Okay. So what failure scenario I want to create? Mhm. So phone number failed. Where is that phone number failed? Yes, this failed. I'll make this field and data type phone. Edit. Is there anywhere I have to define only 10 characters? No, here it you cannot make it. Okay, cancel. Okay. Unique essentially. Unique is there. Unique is there. So, okay. Hmm. So what I'll do, I'll just again same record I'll just add. With here. Oh, okay. I'll just add again same record 001. Hello.
Ah, yes, yes.
To make that record has failed. So we'll see. Hmm. See, one record got duplicate value.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Yes.
This is success. This is
Duplicate.
duplicate. Both are duplicate, but it will not take.
Right.
Because first record it will go and it will fail. Because already that record will be there, right?
Hmm.
Second record will go successfully, it's done. Again, third record will go, it will check 001, again it will got fail. Getting
Correct.
me?
Yes, yes. Right.
I want to I want to capture, because if you see, so it's success, it will show success, but that record got failed. I want that record should come here, because here it's coming. So how I can able to capture in real? Suppose 1 lakh records are there. Yeah, I cannot go one record and check whether it's got upsorted properly or not, right?
Correct. Correct.
So
Yes.
what I do, my pointer should come here and my record will be means captured. Okay. So what I have to do? See here one option is, if I select this return application error response, then so a response will go. So I'll just unselect this one. Okay. Getting? If I select, then it will directly it will go to next
Okay.
thing. Okay.
Okay. Ah, yes. Yes.
See, I'll just again run. You just understand this concept. Okay. Very
Hmm.
important.
Yes. So it will not go to the end. It will go to
See,
the. Ah, yes.
see, it's showing this one. Okay. Here
Right.
it's coming. Here it's coming what?
Yes. Yes.
Here nothing we have mentioned. Okay. Because we are not handling that,
Right. Yes.
nothing is coming. Okay. So what I have to do, I have to implement try catch with the document level errors things. If you go here, because why it's nothing came, first record went. Okay. First record went, it got failed and directly will come to catch block.
Directly catch block. Yes.
Getting me?
Ah, yes.
So I want to implement this document level to handle document level errors. So here I'll just add one try catch with document level errors, document error, not process level error, all errors, only document level errors. We'll see. See.
Hmm.
So now what happened? If you go here, only one record will go, which one got successfully. Okay, this one,
Okay.
some successful record. So it's
Yes.
only gone there. Here, there are two records, failure records are come.
Ah, yes. Yes.
Getting me?
Yes. Yes. I got it.
Getting me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I got it.
In previous scenario, what happened? First record went, it got failed, and it captured in this try catch and come here.
Yes.
Now I have added document level error. What it will do? What are the success? It will go to first record. If it failed here, then first record will come here. It will go to second record, successful win, then it come to here. It will go to third record, it failed here, then again it will come to catch block.
That's
Like this, it's we are handling exceptions. Okay.
yes. It
So
will
till
be
now you practice. Okay.
yes.
Next
So
class we'll see.
yes.
Understood now what I told?
Yes, yes, I got it. I got it. This try catch is of document level, and this is for all the process level, right?
process level error.
I got it. Yes, yes.
Okay,
Till now, I
Sandeep.
got it.
You practice, okay? Same
Yes,
scenario
yes,
you create,
yes, yes.
you
I will.
practice. Okay, then only you will be able to do.
Sure, sure. I
Okay,
will. I will.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you very
Tomorrow,
much.
yeah. Yeah.
10 minutes recording, eh?